Hello, you have recently registered for GST. Congratulations! Now comes the tricky part. We need to create GST-compliant invoices, figure out return filing, and somehow keep everything on track every month. If you're chasing your CA to file returns on time and avoid penalties, we know how frustrating that can be. You should spend your time growing your business, not chasing your CA. That's exactly why we have built TaxEase, a tool to help small businesses and freelancers. It is made for those of you who just want things to work without spending hours decoding tax rules. And it is both cheaper and faster than any CA. It is smart and makes GSTR filing a matter of 2 minutes. Setting up our business on TaxEase takes just 30 seconds, and we can start invoicing in 30 seconds. That too for free. Let's see how to use the tool. To use the tool, first click on Start Creating Invoices and then sign up for the portal. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to the Settings section, where you have to provide the business details: your business name, business address, and your GSTIN. Here you can also enter the HSN code, which will be pre-filled in your invoices. The HSN code can be changed while creating an invoice. Apart from that, you can also choose how our invoice numbers will look. You can configure your invoice numbers here. Once we have set up the business, we can go to Invoices and start creating invoices, all for free. For this, we go to Create New Invoice and start making a new invoice. Let's see what is inside Create New Invoice. There will be an invoice number as selected based on the configuration under Settings. And here we can select the type of invoice, whether we are exporting or whether it's a regular invoice. The system will make sure our invoice is GST compliant. We can enter the client name, phone number, and other details based on the type of invoice. We can also select a client who already exists in the system. This saves us time, and we don't have to enter all the details again for the client. Here we can add a new item or select items. We can provide the HSN or SSC code. We can select the quantity. We can input the price of the product or service that we are selling. If there is a discount, we can select the discount percentage, and we can select the tax rate. Once this is done, the amount will be calculated. It will clearly show whether SGST, ACGST or IGST applies for that sale. Then we can add other items as well. Once all items are added, we click on Create Invoice and the invoice is created. We get a preview of the invoice from where we can download it and then send the downloaded invoice to our client. Once we return to Invoices, we will see all the invoices listed here, and we will be able to view, edit or download the PDF from here. After the invoice is created, we can go back to the dashboard and see how our business is doing. How many invoices we have created in the financial year? How many clients we have serviced? What is the total revenue and what is the current month revenue? We will also see a snapshot of recent invoices and the amount due in terms of CGST, SGST that we have to pay back to the government when we file returns. Once we create an invoice, the client details get automatically saved and can be edited if we want to change the phone, email, or address of the client. This will be updated in future invoices. Apart from that, if we are selling goods, we can also manage our inventory by going to Items. We can upload the items we are selling, their stock, their units, and HSN code, and manage inventory from here. Once we start invoicing with these items, the stock will automatically get updated. If we get new stock, we need to update it by editing the stock or uploading a new CSV from this page. That is how we manage our inventory or stock. Month after month, as we do invoicing, every month or every quarter, we have to file a GST return. If you want to file GST returns via the portal, you need to subscribe to a self-serve or filing assisted plan. This gives you access to the GSTR filing tab. From here, you can choose the type of return you want to file, and then you can download the JSON from here. Once the JSON is downloaded, it takes about 2 minutes to file returns on the GST portal. The instructions to file GST returns using JSON are given here as well and will be updated from time to time based on the latest process. You can refer to this and file your GST return on your own. If you are short on time, you don't have to worry. You can go for a filing supported plan where our team will file GST returns for you. provided all your transactions and invoices are processed via TaxEase only. So that's all about TaxEase. We hope this was helpful. We hope you will give us a chance to help you with GST compliance. All the best. And do reach out to us on our number 701119 4492 to inquire about our services. Thank you.